Hey guys, good morning. So today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day video, just a realistic what I eat in a day, a normal eating day. So good. I start the morning by drinking as much water as possible just to get myself feeling awake and alive. I honestly I don't know why I feel tired. I got a good night's sleep last night, but your girl's still a little bit tired. I think it's just a seasonal stress, seasonal affective disorder. First thing in the morning, every morning, is I take my vitamins before I eat. So I'm gonna do that really quick. Make my morning coffee. I've been really liking the coffee from King & Coffee. It's really good. I tried a couple coffees from King & Coffee and I really like all of the roasts that I bought. They're always so good and so fresh and flavorful. So I highly recommend. Iced coffee. Almond milk. And then this has been my favorite creamer. It is cinnamon swirl oat creamer and it's so good. And I just finished it. That's how much I love it. Got this bread at the farmer's market. It's from Noble Bread here in Phoenix. I scrambled some eggs up with smoked paprika, chili powder, salt, and pepper. I'm gonna fry these up. So this is breakfast, avocado toast topped with a drizzle of lemon, crushed pepper, everything but the bagel seasoning. These sprouts I got at the farmer's market. They are sunflower sprouts, and then my seasoned scrambled eggs. I love seasoning my eggs, and I've been really into, right now, Mexican spices, so I put in the chili powder. So yummy. I love sunflower sprouts because they're a little bit meatier. They're just thick. Also, I'm not all the way awake yet, so. So good, and I've been trying to eat greens every day because I just feel happier and healthier when I work some greens into my meals. So since it's been chilly out, I am craving soup. And I went to Trader Joe's last night and I haven't tried this before. This is the beef pho soup, Vietnamese inspired beef and rice noodle soup. Seems pretty easy to make. I will be chopping up some veggies to add to this just to freshen it up a bit since it is frozen. I want to add some stuff to it. Chopped veggies. So the stovetop directions just say to simmer it on low for 10 to 12 minutes. I think it's going to take a little bit longer, so I'm going to simmer it for about 20 minutes on low. While the soup is simmering, I am going to dice up a tiny jalapeno that I have and also mince 1 clove of garlic. Looking good. I did put some tapatio in the broth because I don't have sriracha, so I wanted to spice it up a little bit. I had some more sunflower sprouts, so I put some in there. And then I also had basil microgreens, so I put some in there as well. And then I put in my jalapeno and garlic. I am so excited to try this. Yum. Smells good. Ooh. Oh man, that Tapatio made it spicy. And then the jalapeno and garlic made it spicier. So it's definitely got some kick. Mmm. It's pretty good. It's definitely not as good as restaurant quality and having the basil Thai and all that and all the toppings, but it's pretty good. But it's good in a pinch if you're really craving it and you don't have time to go to the restaurant, or I don't know, it's closed. Not bad at all. I just ate a jalapeno. Ooh, spicy. I'm in need of a little pick-me-up, so I am gonna make myself an iced chai. I just got this at Whole Foods yesterday. It was on sale. It's from Rishi and it's masala chai, so I'm gonna make myself an iced chai with this. My little afternoon pick-me-up. Really good flavor. For dinner, I am going to saute some veggies, so broccoli, and here I have some carrots, mushrooms, onions, asparagus, and little zucchinis. And then for my protein, I was really craving fish today, so I am going to roast this salmon. It had some herbs already on it. I did put some salt and maple and some lemon slices on top. So I'm gonna roast that in the oven for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. So this is dinner. It's a pretty healthy eating day. Last week I didn't eat any veggies, so this week I definitely made up for it. And I'm so excited to dig in. This looks so good. I love roasting salmon. Let's try this. Salmon is perfect. Does it show? Does it show? The salmon came out really good. Very herby. Veggies. I love broccoli, mushrooms, carrots, so good. This goes so good together. I love food. I love food. I am a happy camper when I'm just taking care of myself, nourishing myself, eating good, whole foods. Makes me happy. I also love eating the salmon skin. I know that grosses some people out, but that's my favorite part, the salmon skin. So good. All right, guys, so got my mouth full. So that concludes today's What I Eat in a Day video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And also, if you like this video, it would help me a ton if you hit that like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.